Is this your work life?
Hey, I can't hear you.
Yeah,
Hello?
Still can't hear you.
What's wrong with your camera?
You don't see my
It's not
screen?
working.
Oh, I can't see the stuff
It's still not
that you're
working.
sharing.
God, this stuff never works right.
Look and sound familiar? Well, the wait is over. Introducing the world's first Windows-based collaboration bar. The Lenovo ThinkSmart One. Easy to install, easy to use, and easy to manage. Compatible with multiple UC platforms and in multiple locations. Two 15-watt speakers for crystal clear audio, an extra wide field of view, and an auto-framing camera to capture your entire team. Advanced security levels and privacy controls. An easy-to-use touchscreen controller, and works with your existing infrastructure and devices. And as always, backed with Lenovo Premier services. So enough of this. You've finally found the one. The Lenovo ThinkSmart One, the world's first Windows-based collaboration bar.